Want to create a stunning, modern one-page design agency website using WordPress? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step-by-step through building a beautiful, professional website that's sleek, fast, and fully responsive, perfect for creative studios, freelancers, and digital agencies. So let's jump right in and start crafting your one-page agency website in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type aBlocks. It's one of the most powerful and user-friendly Gutenberg page builders available. aBlocks offers over 60 advanced blocks, more than 1,000 active installations, and holds a 4.9-star rating on WordPress.org. It's built to help you create stunning, professional websites without any coding. One of its standout features is the extensive library of pre-made templates, allowing you to build entire pages with a single click. Once you've found aBlocks, click Install and then hit Activate to get started right away. Now let's move on to importing a ready-made portfolio template using aBlocks. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the aBlocks Templates section. Here, you'll discover a wide range of professionally crafted templates for various types of websites. In the search bar, type Agency. This will display several pre-built portfolio templates, perfect for freelancers, creative professionals, and design agencies looking to showcase their work beautifully. Click the Preview button on any template to explore its full layout. You'll find all essential sections like hero banners, service areas, about and contact sections, testimonials, and more already designed for you. Once you've found a template that fits your needs, click Start Import. Check the box to include images, then hit Import Now. The entire portfolio site will be imported in seconds. Finally, click Visit Website to see your fully functional portfolio site live. That's it. Your professional agency website is now ready with just a few clicks. Let's move on to customization. Click the Edit button to open the page in the WordPress editor. With aBlocks, you'll have access to over 60+ advanced Gutenberg blocks, giving you full control to build a fully functional and visually impressive website, all without writing a single line of code. Now, let's customize a section of the agency website template to better match your brand. Start by replacing the default images with your own. Upload new images one by one, and make sure each is properly aligned to fit the design. For a modern, clean look, apply a border radius to give the images rounded corners. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab and choose a background color for the section that complements your overall design. For another section, let's add a stylish gradient background to create visual depth and contrast. This will make your site feel more dynamic and polished. Once you've completed all your customizations, click the Save button to apply the changes. Finally, preview your website to see how everything looks live. That's it. You've successfully built and customized your own professional one-page agency website in WordPress. With just a few clicks and no coding, your portfolio is now live and ready to impress clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step WordPress videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.